I'm feeling sad. I try to remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Brown paper packages. And Debbie will not quit her day job for that.
That's not even going to be in. You're going to cut that out.
No.
You were filming that?
Yeah, been filming.
Oh, you rat.
So with that lovely rendition.
I don't sing. I never said I could sing. In church, I mouth the words so I don't hurt the people's ears in front of me.
All right. Well, we are Sisters in Stitches. We are an unboxing channel, fashion channel, beauty channel. Not really. We just pretend to be. But we sure have a lot of fun doing it. My name is Cindy. This is my younger sister, Debbie. We are both blonde now. And we're doing our favorite Canadian box.
Comedian?
Canadian.
Oh, I thought comedian box.
And this is brown paper packages.
But it's such a cute box. Wait till you see what it looks like inside.
It is. This box is $59.99 in Canadian dollars. And when we did this box before, it was, well, first of all, okay, sorry. This is a bi-monthly box, so you get it every 2 months. It is $59.99 Canadian dollars. And when we got it 2 months ago, the US dollar was about $43. So, and then you pay for shipping. So, but what we really like about this box is how they package the box. Brown paper packages. And they do such a unique job with, and not done expensively, but, oh, look at how they did that.
Lilac.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Does it smell like lilac? Did they spray it?
Something in here smells good. And this is
always a precursor to what's in the box.
right. And so it is Purple Haze.
So look at how pretty that is.
There you go.
Everything matches, and they don't kill themselves putting it all together. That looks like some kind of beach bag.
Yeah, it does. I hope so, because these are kind of weird if it's a shirt.
If it's a shirt.
Well, I'm thinking, oh, I see now.
That's a cute
Oh,
beach
it's a
bag.
little beach bag.
That's a
Yeah.
cute beach bag.
Oh, it's got a zipper too, which is nice. Keeps the sand out. It's a nice size.
That's a summer tote. You could use that as a summer tote. That doesn't have to be a beach bag.
Yeah, you can even put like your laptop in here or something if you were just...
That would be a good boat bag. Just
Yeah,
to throw
it's-
on the boat with all your stuff.
It's nice that it's zippered. So
Yeah.
that's cute. Nice, sturdy too. It's not like a really cheap thing.
well and pretty on the outside.
Then they put, see, everything is purple. Isn't
All
this just so
pretty.
cute?
Yeah, it's very cute.
So let's see what's inside. I just love, it's like Christmas when we get this box. And they send it to us for review, and every 2 months the box keeps showing up, and I don't ask for it. They just keep sending it.
We're okay with that.
Yeah.
It's so much fun unwrapping everything.
And they wrapped it in a purple napkin. But
See,
see,
they use their heads.
yeah, so it's not costing them a ton of money, but yet it looks really pretty.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Really
It is like
pretty.
a bracelet.
No, it's a barrette.
Barrette. I don't
It's like a
have
clip.
enough hair to actually use
do.
this.
Let's see.
'Cause it-
No, you
my
wouldn't go
hair
like
is-
that. It would go down the back of your head. You wouldn't put it in like that. You would, the clip. You would go down like your head with it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's pretty. I personally won't use it, so Debbie will get to keep that because I just don't have the hair. My hair is so fine. It just
I
slips
won't
out.
use it either, but
Oh, you won't? I think it's really pretty. Someone like my daughter Vicky who has that thick
yeah,
hair
bring it
that
home for one of those. They can take that home.
Yeah. So let's see how the next thing. Oh, look. Looks like they they glued on the little purple flower. So let's see. Aww. Dragonflies. That's so cool. Because with the dragonflies, most of you know that my daughter passed away when she was 10 back in 2005. And shortly after she died, dragonflies just were like a sign to me that, you know, she was around. And one time a dragonfly flew into my car into the back window and it died there. And so I just left it there. It was like perfect. Like it like wedged itself in the center of the back window and I just left it there. And then when I was cleaning, got the car detailed, I forgot to tell him not to move the dragonfly. It's gone. It was in my car for years. Anyway, so these are really cute. Purple.
I know you'll wear those.
Of course I will. Sorry, I'm keeping these. These are
I
in
wouldn't wear 'em anyway.
remembrance of Sammy. All right, so that's really cute. Now here, see, they just take a brown paper bag, punch holes in it, purple ribbon with a little wood, like, gift tag.
Purple yarn.
You know, actually, these are cute ways to wrap Christmas presents and not have to spend a lot of money on the Christmas presents. Oh,
soap.
Soap. And this is from
Nature's Art.
Nature's Art. It's probably like a lavender or
I smell
lilac.
blackberry.
Oh, lilac.
You smell the berry more than the lilac.
Yeah, it's a pretty sweet smelling soap, but
soap.
it's pretty with the
very
purple
pretty.
and white. Very well thought out box. I absolutely love this box. And then here's another
bag.
Isn't that cute? They glue on a little paper flower. So creative. And yeah, you usually get a chapstick, and this flavor is Bonbons candy tart. So when you're off sugar and you need that. And then you got Stray Cat, Smelly Cat, Smelly Cat.
What is it?
Stray Cat lip gloss. Stray Cat just reminded me. I thought it was
of Friends.
Smelly Cat.
Smelly Cat.
So there you go. Clear lip gloss. Who can't use these? No taste. Little sticky. You want to try it?
No, I'm good.
All right. So that was a cute little item. Ooh, we got a couple more things. Then we got a purple seahorse milkshake, color changing. Oh, it's like a frappe. I'll never drink this. It's like coffee related.
Let me see.
I'm not sure what it is. It's like
a latte frappe.
I know, I can read that part.
Mauve. Color changing seahorse milkshake.
I already said that.
Blend milkshake with vanilla ice cream. That's going to be a calorie booster. Transfer to a glass, top with your favorite toppings, and enjoy. So you got to put this with vanilla ice cream. Talk about calories. It's probably really good.
I'm sure that it is. All right, and the last last thing we have, this is, again, very cutely wrapped. Even put a little sticker on the, I don't know. I really do enjoy the way they wrap them.
Whoever puts these boxes, whoever came up with this idea.
They're the Hutch sisters. So it's two sisters.
They're really innovative with their wrapping.
Oh, this feels like a bag or something. What is it? Oh, it's not a bag.
Oh, it's like for soaps and stuff.
Oh, that is pretty. Look at that.
That's really pretty.
It's really cute.
Really pretty. But see, it would be nice with the soap.
Ah, yes, yes. So,
soap and soap.
Isn't this, we just love this box. I think they loved our channel before we even started reviewing their box for them, and they like the idea that it's a company by two sisters being reviewed by two sisters. But honestly, I know we don't pay for the box, but I really do like this box. I mean,
we're not going to lose this. Even if they stop sending them, we'll make sure that we keep getting the box because it's really, really cute. I love the idea. We get the ideas on how to wrap things through them. It's really
well
cute.
Curated, very well thought out. And I like the fact that it's every other month, so it's not such a hit. You can budget for the box. You know, because I have a certain dollar limit that I spend. And so when I get rid of a box, that allows me to, you know, put another one in the rotation. So what do you guys think? And I know you Canadian residents are so excited because we actually got a Canadian box, because a lot of our boxes here, they don't ship up to Canada. It's like, oh, I wish we had that box. Oh, I tried. But sometimes the shipping is so ridiculous that you can't, it's not even worth getting the box. So
I don't know how a lot of these box companies do it. I really don't. No, not with the shipping costs involved.
I really don't know either, with the advertising and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know. I really like the purple Haze box to this month.
Yeah, this was great.
Yeah, it was, wasn't
really,
it?
really well thought out.
Well done, Hutch sisters. Thumbs up from the sisters.
Sisters and Stitches.
Yeah.
Actually, we're
Spielman.
the Spielman sisters.
Yeah, that was our maiden name, Spielman. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. I'll put all the info below, and you know, hit the subscribe button. We don't ask
You
very
touched
often.
Cindy's heartstrings with her dragonfly earrings.
Yes, yes. I will wear them often.
See ya.
Cut. All right, ladies.
We're just messing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.